are you wondering how fast can the OneSport OT16 go? So what is the top speed, and also is the power good enough on this e-bike? First, when it comes to the power you can get from this bike, if you check their official specs, it's listed as 250 watt motor for legal reasons. But that's actually not the actual peak output from this motor. The 250 watt motor power is only the sustained power over long term. If you basically have a bunch of hills and you need more power, this motor can actually deliver way more power than that one. So in my experience, I estimate maybe right around 600 watts from this motor. So not 250, but I think if you need it for a short amount, maybe you can peak up to like 600, something like that. And when it comes to the top speed you can achieve from this e-bike, unfortunately it's also limited for legal reasons. So we can achieve up to 25 kilometers per hour on this e-bike. Also by default, for legal reasons, this bike also doesn't come with a throttle installed. However, if you want to install it, it's inside the box, so it's very easy to do it. I have another video on my channel how to do that. So you will see if I lift up my bike. So engage the pedal assistant, something, right accelerate. As you see, it only goes up to 25 kilometers per hour. Again, so we have a hard limit on it. Also, if you are wondering if it's maybe possible to unlock the speed limit on this bike, since again the motor power is actually very good on this bike, so it definitely could go much faster than the 25 kilometers per hour. So I have some bad news. Basically, yeah, they have made this bike totally road legal, and they have also removed an option to like bypass the speed limiter. Usually on this type of controller here, we could press these two buttons to go in more settings and unlock the speed limiter, but you see we only have 4 options here. On these like fully unlocked ones we have I think like 20 different options, so they have like removed the ability to like unlock the speed on this bike. And let's do acceleration test up to 25 kilometers per hour. So again, I'm 90 kilos, so not the lightest guy. Let's see how fast it can do it. I'm going to only use my throttle and I won't pedal. Overall, is the new OneSport OT16 actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, I can actually still highly suggest this bike, because yeah, the power is still absolutely excellent on this bike, even though we can't unlock the speed limiter on a folding bike. I'm not sure if you even want to go faster than that. So also we get excellent build quality, so it's a proper heavy duty bike. Again, the motor power really probably the best you can get for this price. Also absolutely massive battery, so we have 816 watt hours on this bad boy. Also very good suspension on the rear and also front, integrated lights. Also, if you are looking to get this e-bike, in the description I'll include special discount links that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. Also, I managed to get extra €100 coupon from OneSport that you can use on their website to bring down extra €100. So at the time of filming, if you follow that link and also use the extra coupon, you can have it only for right around €600, maybe like tiny bit more, depending on the time when you are seeing this. For this price, really, it's totally unbeatable, really. And yeah, so simply make sure to check it out, and yeah, in the checkout simply enter the UV16 for extra €100 off for this price, really. I think it's totally unbeatable. Okay, good luck.